In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be able to place clear callouts, highlights, and visual markers right on your PDF, all using Acrobat's built-in drawing tools. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's up, look toward the upper left corner and click the main menu. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to annotate, select it, and click Open again to load it into Acrobat. If you recently worked on the file, you may also see it in your recent list, but using Open ensures you're picking the exact document you need. With your PDF on screen, turn your attention to the toolbar along the left side. This vertical strip houses the annotation and drawing tools you'll use. Find and click the Draw Freehand option. When you select it, Acrobat reveals a small palette of shape tools. You'll see choices like circle or ellipse, rectangle, polygon, cloud, and more. Each one serves a slightly different purpose. Rectangles and ellipses are great for clean highlights, polygons help outline irregular areas precisely, and the cloud shape draws attention to a region in a more informal, review-style way. Choose the shape that best fits your purpose. For rectangles and ellipses, click and drag on the page to draw the shape, release to place it. For polygons, click to set each point around the area you're outlining, then finish by closing the shape or completing the path. You'll see the shape appear immediately on your PDF. Once the shape is on the page, you can refine it to match your layout. Click the shape to select it, then drag the corner handles to resize proportionally. The side handles stretch it horizontally or vertically if you need a custom fit. If you want to preserve perfect proportions, like keeping a circle perfectly round, hold Shift while resizing. You can also click and drag the shape itself to reposition it so it lines up exactly with the content you're marking. As you work, a small properties bar may appear, letting you adjust things like border thickness and color so your shapes are easy to see without overwhelming the document. If something doesn't look right, undo is always your friend. So feel free to step back and try again until it's just right. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, pick your shape from the Draw Freehand tools, place it on the page, and adjust the size to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy annotating.